When you start on a journey, there are two things you have to bear in mind. Either of them happening can cause you an unpleasant journey. First, running out of fuel with no petrol station nearby. Second, getting a flat tire. Accidents are unpredictable and unpreventable. When any of these things happen, we often see that drivers pull their cars over on the roadside and set up the triangle alert signage. In this situation, they usually have three options. First, replace the tire. We all have a spare tire in the car boot. However, the spare tire sometimes is too heavy for a woman, and most women don't know how to replace the tire. Hence, men usually know how to replace the tire, and most of the time, they find the spare tire is no longer usable. It could be that the spare tire has been lying in the car boot for ages without proper care. Second, pretend like nothing has happened and keep on driving. This act will significantly damage the entire rim and will definitely cost more to fix. Lastly, call for assistance. But sometimes you're very far from help, and it will take a longer time to navigate your location. If an accident happens in the middle of the highway, it will significantly endanger yourself and other users of the highway. Now, there's a simple way to solve puncture problems. TireCare Sealant. TireCare Sealant is made from natural rubber latex, dragon fruit extract, and nanofibers, and is strong enough to seal punctures up to 12 millimeters. It's also very simple to use. First, rotate valve to 7 to 9 o'clock or 3 to 5 o'clock position. Second, insert the compressor's power into the power supply. At that time, the light on the compressor will start to flash. Third, remove the valve core. Next, shake the TireCare sealant and connect to the injector tube. Then, inject TireCare into the tire. Finally, when you finish injection, remove the injector and insert the compressor, then activate the compressor. When it reaches standard pressure, you can remove it. TireCare Sealant is an easier and more cost-efficient way for everyone to cope with punctures. TireCare Sealant is certified by SGS, non-toxic, non-corrosive, and can resist extreme temperatures from -40 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius. In addition, it is a one-time permanent sealant. TireCare Sealant is totally different from other products, much more useful and practical. TireCare Sealant is made from a unique formula. It will not clot or influence the balance of the tire.